Hi guys, how you all doing? Today is another quick one, another street food classic, which is actually a Chinese influenced dish in Thailand. But this dish is eaten all over Thailand, pad see ew. Now pad see ew translates to fried soy sauce. And in Thailand what we do, we actually cook with soy sauce and a little bit of dark soy sauce to actually turn the noodles a darker colour, and we cook it fairly high flame to give it a bit of charring and give it a bit of smokiness flavour. So let's crack on and make our pad See Ew Gai. Okay, so what we do first, we make a marinade for our sliced chicken. Just 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of sugar, a good shake of pepper and 1 egg, and then all we do is mix it up and leave it to stand for about an hour. Whilst that's standing, we can prepare our garlic. Chop about 7 cloves of garlic, mince it all up and nice and small, and then we can prepare our kale leaves. So what we need to do is take the leaves off the kale, and then we need to trim the stalks on the kale, because we use everything in Thailand. Nothing goes to waste. So trim all the woody bits off the kale stalks, and then we need to slice it thinly. So all we need to do now is take our leaves, bunch them together, roll them up and slice them across, so we've got bite-sized pieces of kale. For our noodles, we need to add about a teaspoon of black soy sauce and give it a good mix in. Turn our noodles from white to brown, and that will be our noodles prepared to go straight in our pan. Right guys, very easy, very quick. A couple of tablespoons of oil, lard in a pan on medium heat. Add your garlic, quick stir through, a little bit of a stir fry, and then add our chicken. Stir the chicken around, turn it over. We need to cook the chicken for until it's about 80% done, and then push it around the sides of the pan and crack in 2 eggs. Now once the eggs are in the pan, we need to just let them sit for a little while so they set up a little bit, and then just a little stir through. We do not want to scramble the eggs up, but we do want big chunks of cooked egg in our dish. So nice and gently stir through, mix up with the chicken. And then we need to add our noodles. In with the noodles, a little stir around, and then half a tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of seasoning soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Give it a little mix up. And now we need to put our flame to high. This is where we are going to replicate all the street vendors and give it that charring effect on our noodles. So in with our kale stalks. This is where we stir and leave. Stir and leave. We need to have our noodles catch a little bit on the bottom of the pan, so it gives that little bit of a charring effect on the noodles. Once it catches on the bottom of the pan, it will also give a smoky sort of a flavour
as well. So we're not trying to burn the noodles, but we are definitely trying to get them to catch a little bit to form a crispy crust on the outside. In with our kale leaves, stir it around. So don't forget, stir, leave, stir, leave. And then we want about a level tablespoon of sugar, half to a level tablespoon of sugar. Stir it in, and a good shake of pepper. Mix it all through, and that is our See Ew Gai done. All we need to do now is serve up.
Easy to create that smoky, crispy flavour on the outside of the wide noodles at home. And the chicken, it's got like a velvety soft texture. Absolutely fantastic. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, showing you real Thai food, don't forget like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.